Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 6 triangles and its properties, exercise 6.5. Last class we learned Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem are satisfied under a right angle triangle. That property once again I repeat in a right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem are satisfying. Here example, like consider a right angle triangle ABC. What about right angle triangle? One angle become 90 degree, we call it as a right angle. That means here angle B represent as how much degree? L shape represent as measuring the how much degree? Protractor using a measuring time 90 degree will get in there. Then 90 degrees opposite side. That is AC. In this diagram, AC is the opposite side. We give special name for that opposite side. What name? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Then next, here straight line, that is height. Height we give another special name. Give it as a altitude. We give that name as a altitude. And downside we call it as a base. This is our base. Pythagoras theorem says that square of the hypotenuse, that means longest side, that is the longest in this triangle. Which side represent as long side? AC side represent as long side. That longest side square is always equal to other two square of the sum of the other two. Which are the other two side? Altitude and base side. Their side square take and adding. There's that two side. Which are the two side? Altitude side and base side square take, and they are adding time. That answer is always equal to the longest side value square taking time. Getting both answers are equal. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Using that Pythagoras theorem, now we going to solve the then a theorem in which way? How to write that? Short form will also given last class. Hypotenuse short form hy square is equal to altitude means AL square plus base means B square. This is the formula for a Pythagoras theorem. Keep in your mind. Then exercise 6.5 basis of a Pythagoras theorem. Questions are there. First question they given as a PQR is a triangle. Here we can, instead of ABC place, we can mark it as a PQR, and Q is Q make an sorry, PQR not here they given as a triangle name as PQR and right angle to P, right? That means 90 degree, mark it on the P vertex, and Q and R. In this way they given. Then values are given. Values they given as a PQ side is equal to 10 centimeter and PR side value equal 24 centimeter. Find QR side value. That is the meaning of question. So where that side, once we check that in diagram, PQ side where PQ is this altitude side represent as PQ. How much? 10 centimeter. Next PR, where that side? PR is our base side. How much? 24. Which side value they ask you to find a QR? Where is a QR? That is the longest side. This side value they not given. We want to find that side value. How to find out? Pythagoras theorem formula apply. What is that formula? Hypotenuse. That formula here we apply. So hypotenuse square equal altitude square plus base square. That means the longest side square is equal to square of the sum of the other two sides or other two legs. Anyway, you can say that. Hypotenuse means longest side. Which alphabet they given? QR alphabet, but hypotenuse square is there. That's why QR square. Altitude means the height of the triangle. What is the height side? Altitude is QR. So, but square is there, that's why we can mark it as QP side. QP square we can mark. And base means downside, we call it as base. Which alphabet? PR, but whole square is there, that's why square must and should be mark. QR side we don't know. Our aim is to find QR square value. QP side represent how much centimeter? 10. So instead of QP place 10 subs, but whole square is there. Next PR base side value is how much? 24. There also 24, but whole square is there. Again calculation QR square. 10 square means 2 tens multiply, meaning 10 into 10 become how much? 100. 24 square means 24 into 24. How much will coming as a 576. 24 is multiply 2 tens. 4 fours are 16. 4 twos are 8 plus 1 9. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4 6. Here 7 1 576 will get in there. That is the meaning. Remember, whole square represent as multiply 2 times. Whole cube represent as multiplying the number itself 2 times. So we multiplying there. Multiplying and adding. 576 is added with 100. So how much will come in? 676 will get in there. That is QR square value is 676. Our side name is QR, not QR square, not. That's why we want QR side. So how to find out QR value? Take square root on both sides. Take a square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. So QR square root to become how much? QR. Then right side also square root to take. Square root of 670. Square root value how to find out? Square root prime factorization do and find out. Or directly knowing it, directly right. Prime factorization directly not knowing students, prime factorization do that. 6 is an even number, that's why we can able to divide with the prime number 2. 2 table 6 3 times. 2 table 7 not there. 3 times 6 is there. 7 and 6 product 6 subtracting 1. 1 and third place 6 joining time as 16. 2 table 16 8 times. Again 8 is a even number, that's why continue with the 2. 2 table 3 1 time. 2 into 1 become 2. So 3 and 2 subtraction doing time 1. 1 and next second place number joining time 13. 2 table 13. How many times? 6 times. 12 will coming there. So 13 minus 12 become remainder 1. 1 and third place number read together 18. 2 table 18 9 times. Then any other table searching time not post 169, which in table only 13 table 13 into 13 become a 169. So 13 is a prime number. So 13 only use it to divide. What are the factors? 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. Square root asking time pairing, and from each pair one number take out. So QR is equal to from first pair 1 2 take out. Second pair 1 13 take out. The multiply 13 2s are how much will get in there? 26 centimeters. So our QR side value become how much? 26 centimeter is the answer. I hope you can understand that. QR become a 26. Then same way another question, same model question. Second question, right triangle is there. Then find out that values. One side value is not given. Find out that side. How to find out which theorem we apply? Pythagoras theorem apply and find that values. So we can finding that values. So next second question they given us. Second question they gave us ABC is a triangle. So we can mark it as ABC triangle and right angle at C. Right angle. That's why C mark it on 90 degree. And A and B mark on the acute angle place. Then this is anyhow this is our 90 degrees opposite side represent as a hypotenuse. Values they given as a AB side is 25 centimeter and AC side given as 7 centimeter. Find a BC side. Find a BC. That is the question they given as a ABC right angle ABC triangle right angle that to C. In question they given right angle that to C. That's why 90 degree place which alphabet we mark as C. A and B you can mark anywhere. So next here also how to find out the answer. Pythagoras theorem. Values AB, where AB hypotenuse represent as AB. That value is given. How much? 25 centimeter. Next AC, where AC altitude side, that means height side. How much they given? 7 centimeter given there. Which value not given? BC. BC is where a base downside they value they ask to find out. There also same formula. Hypotenuse square equal altitude square plus base square is the formula. Hypotenuse means AB side. AB side is AB alphabet mark it as AB square. Altitude represent as which alphabet? A and C, but whole square is the base represent as which alphabet? BC, but whole square is the value. Then next second step value substitute. AB value how much? 25, but whole square is the, that's why we keep a whole square. AC means this side altitude how much? 7, so 7 whole square is the 7 square plus BC side value we unknown, we want to find out to BC side. 25 square means 25 is multiplied how many times? 2 times. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Again 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 comes to be 5. 2 625 is the 25 square. So right side part 625. 7 square become how much? 7 into 7 become 49 plus BC. We want which value? BC. So plus 49 sent to opposite side. It goes to opposite side. Signs are changing. Previous onwards we are learning. Sign will change. So 625 is subtracted with 49 equal BC square. So how much will coming? 625 minus 49 become how much? 576 will getting that is equal to BC square. We want BC, not BC square. So what we want to do? Both side take a square root. Take a square root on a square root on both side. Remember both side we want to take square. That means square root of BC square become how much? BC square root of 576 find out. Directly not knowing a square root how to find out a prime factorization do and solve that. 576 right inside and here a L shape box draw and find out. 6 is an even number, that's why start with 2. 2 table 5 not there. 2 2s are 4 is the 5 minus 4 subtraction do in time 1 and next place number 7 join in time 17. 2 table 17 not there. 8 times 16 is there. 16 17 minus 16 become remainder 1 and third place number join in time 16. 2 table 16 8 times 80 unit place 80 is an even number, that's why we continue with 2. 2 table 2 1 time. 2 table 8 4 time. 2 table 8 4 again divided with 2. Why? Because unit place is 4. 2 table 40 how many times? 7. 2 table 4 2 times again divided with 2. Why? Unit place 2, that's why dividing time 2 table 7 not there. 2 3s are 6. 7 and 6 subtraction do in time 1 and second place number read together 12. 2 table 12 how many times? 6 times again continue with 2. Why? Because 6 is an even number. 2 tables 3 not there properly 1 time. 2 into 1 become 2. Then 2 and a product 3 and a product 2 subtraction do in time 1 and next second place number join in time 16. 2 table 16 8 times again continue with 2. 2 table 80 9 times again 2 table not possible. 3 table only possible. 3 is a prime number, that's why 3 use and divide. Then square root to take in what is the values there? 576. Here how many 2s are there? 6 times 2 product of 2 into prime numbers are writing like this and 3 times 3 pairing. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. From each pair 1 1. First pair 1 2. Second pair 1 2. Third pair 1 2. Fourth pair 2 3s are there. 1 3 10. Then multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 3 3s are how much will get in there? 24 is the answer. I hope you can understand how to solve these answers. Then next we go through another checking is it possible to draw a right angle or is it become a side of a right angle triangle or not, checking type of question. That type of questions they telling there. Just check it. How to check it? By using Pythagoras theorem and checking a left side and a right side formula applying a left side and a right side part to become equal. Then we can say the given measurement are the sides of a right angle triangle. That's such type of questions. A question 2.5 centimeter, second measurement 6.5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. We want to check it, is it become the measurement of a sides of a right angle or not. So just for clarification, we just draw a right angle triangle. We only for doing purpose, we only do draw a right angle. Any alphabets you can mark B as 90 values. When given time, longest value mark it on the hypotenuse. Which is the hypotenuse? The longest side we call it as hypotenuse. So which is the highest value? 6.5. That value mark it on the highest side, please. Then next one 2. That one mark it on the base side. Next measurement 6 mark it on the altitude side. So remember, hypotenuse side always we mark highest value, mark it on hypotenuse side. Remaining two values mark it on the altitude and the basis. Then our Pythagoras theorem formula applying time, hypotenuse square equal altitude square plus base square. Hypotenuse means which side? AC side. Square equal altitude represent as AB square plus BC square. AC side value is how much? 6.5, but whole square is there. Then AB side value becomes 6. So whole square is there. BC side value given as 2.5. Here we want to prove it. Proving it. That's why left side we want to prove it. Right side also solution find both answers same or not, checking. Here LHS part to take. LHS side take in time. In which way 6.5 the whole square is given on LHS. That means 6.5 is how many times multiply? 2 times right hand multiplication. So without the decimal point, 2 times right hand multiply. 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Again 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3 comes to be 39. 5 2 here 9 12 4,225 decimal point. Here after decimal point, how many places are there? Two digits are there. That means from answer place from right to left, 2 places take and put this. In second chapter we learned. So 42.25 is the left side. We want to check it in right side. Is it same answer getting or not? Right side answer. What is the right side expression? RHS side 6 square plus 2.5 square is the right side. 6 square become how much? 36. 2.5 means 25. Previous question also we multiply 25 into 25 comes to be how much? 625. But 2.5 into 2.5 means after decimal point here multiplicand and multiplier place after decimal point how many digits are there? Here 1, here 1, total 2 digits are there. So from right to left 2 place count and put decimal point. Then adding time how much will coming? 36 plus 6 comes to be 42.25 is yes. Both answer, left side answer and right side answer are equal. That's why what we can say, the given measurement are the sides of the right angle triangle. I hope you can understand how to solve this type. One more question. B question. B question same way measurements are given there. There also we want to prove that the left side answer and the right side answer become a same or not, checking it. Then same means we can say the given measurements are the sides of a right angle, otherwise it is not a side of the right angle. B question. B question they given us here 2 centimeter and next 2 centimeter 5 centimeter. So what we want to do, just we want to check, that's why just to draw a right angle, simply Here P, any alphabet, I mark it as P, Q, R. Q represent as a 90 degree. Then which is the highest measurement 5. So we can, which is the longest side, PR is the longest side, that is hypotenuse. That side we mark 5 centimeter. Remaining 2 centimeter mark on the base and the altitude side. Then checking, formula apply. Formula is hypotenuse square equal altitude square plus a base square. Altitude side represent as a PR square. So hypotenuse side represent as PR. So square is there. So PR square. Altitude side represent as PQ, but whole square is there. Base represent as a QR, but square is the QR square. The values, PR value represent as 5 square. PQ value 2 square. QR value 2 square. Then first LHS side consider. LHS side represent expression 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5 because how much? 25 is the answer. What about RHS part? Expression is 2 square plus 2 square. 2 square become how much? 2 2s are 4. Again 2 square means 4. 4 plus 4 comes to be how? Is it both are same answer? No. Here what we can say, LHS answer is not equal to RL. So what we can conclude that the given measurement is not a side of the right angle triangle. So we can prove like this. Remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.